What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Soul remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Kia Souls that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip out the key blade. And then if we turn it over so we're looking at the back, what we're going to do is pull this back piece off right here. So if you come in this space where the key's in and you just get your fingers in there, it'll just pry off of there like that. You can see our batteries right here. And that battery may come out of there. If you find that it's kind of sticking in there, you may need to get a small flathead screwdriver just to get under the edge of it. But once you get your old battery out, we'll grab the new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. Go ahead and snap it down in that holder. And then we'll snap that back cover on. Put our key blade down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.